How Let's Grow Inside works is you go to the website, and on the website, we have a list of all the equipment that we have behind me, right? The lights, the charcoal filter, the LED controlled fan, the oscillating fans, the pod, the amended soil, the pH pen, all the nutrients that you'll use, everything that you see behind me, and even more that you don't see behind me. You order all that equipment off the website. It's listed all there, and you order it. You have it drop shipped to your house, right? Then you sign up for the course, and then that course we meet every week. We're meeting on Saturdays now, and we meet. First thing I do is I teach you how to put this equipment together, right? So we put all the equipment together. We build this indoor garden. We have a digitally controlled fan that controls the temperature. It controls the humidity. We have oscillating fans that create an airflow system. So we put all the HVAC stuff up. We hang the LED lights, these light emitting diodes. These lights are amazing. The energy efficiency is crazy compared to what we used to have. We used to have high pressure sodium lights. They were gas guzzlers. For those that grow, you know exactly what I'm talking about. These gas guzzling lights that just made your electric bill just skyrocket, right? Therefore, made this whole process expensive. Now with technology, the LED lights are kind of taking over. The high pressure sodium, the old dinosaur lights that we used to have, that we had to vent the heat out of, those are going away. Therefore, your heat requirements are a lot less. Your electric load is way down. So now it becomes a residential project. So we order all this equipment, we put it together, we order the seeds on the website. We teach how to grow an indica and a sativa, right? So we're teaching you how to grow both hybrids. We'll teach you how to plant the seed, propagate the seed. You order the seeds off the website. And yeah, for 16 weeks, we'll meet every week. And we teach you how to grow amazing cannabis that you can do with whatever. You can take it as a medicine and use it so you know what you're putting into your body, right? So for those of you out there that have issues that you're using this plant as a medicine, great opportunity. The best way to know how to heal your body is know what you're putting into your body, right? Into your body. And if you're using cannabis as a medicine, the best way to do that is not to get it from the dispensary where they tell you what it is, but you don't know. You don't know what they did to that plant to make that plant grow. But here, if you take the course, you can learn step by step, every step of the way, and grow your own medicine. If you are someone who wants to, if you're an avid smoker, if you're an avid smoker and you love going to the dispensary and getting different strains, right? But you notice the prices are going crazy. Again, this is the industry as it's increasing. So, and they're turning us into consumers, right? You're going to dispensaries, you're going to pay whatever price they tell you. And you could get inferior product. You could. I've gone to the dispensary and gotten some Bubba Kush, and it didn't taste like Bubba Kush. It didn't have the overtones. It didn't have the efficacy that Bubba Kush should have, because it probably wasn't Bubba Kush, right? Or is an inferior strain. So the best way, if you're an avid consumer of cannabis, the best way to get the strain that you want is to grow it yourself, And it's easy. We show you how to do it step by step, every step of the way. It's a live curriculum, right? It's a live curriculum, so you can ask questions, interact with me, and I teach you everything you need to know from beginning, from the seed, propagating the seed. Right now, we're in the middle of a course and we are past the seedling stage. We just transplanted our plants, our little babies, into their permanent homes. We control the temperature and humidity with our monitor. We control the whole environment. We're basically simulating Mother Nature, right? Springtime, summer, fall, planting the seed in the middle, giving the intense growth, creating that amazing bud, all the way to the fall harvest until we cut it down, put it in jars, and then we enjoy it. So if you're interested, check us out at letsgrowinside.com. We will show you the way. Get ready, get set, and let's grow inside.